welcome back to our channel Info Roshan, and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the multiple internship opportunities available for the college going students and the freshers. And friend, you will also get the very good stipend for these internship opportunities, and along with that, you will also get the certificate of these internships and other perks. And friend, we are going to check all the details, how you need to the registration process and what will be your roles and responsibilities, what is the eligibility criteria and how much stipend you will get. So we are going to check all these details. So please watch the video complete. So friend, you can see here the first internship opportunities available in BookMyShow. So friend, you have heard about this name while booking your tickets for the movies or events. So let's check about this company first, and then we will check the internships. So friend, this company was launched in 2007 and BookMyShow owned and operated by Big Tree Entertainment Private Limited and founded in 1999. And friend, it is India's leading entertainment destination and the one-stop shop for every out-of-home entertainment. And you can see this firm present in over 650 towns and cities in India. So friend, you can check about this company. I have given the link in the video description box also. So friend, let's check what is the internship available in this company. So you can see here the location will be Mumbai, and you can see start date is immediately, and the duration of this internship is the 6 months. You can see here, and you will get the stipend of 7,500 per month, and you have to apply for this internship before 8 September. And friend, you can see here about the internship is given, what will be your day-to-day responsibilities. So you have to coming up with the social media post ideas to promote movies and events, and writing post captions and creating and managing the weekly content calendar. And you will coordinating with the design video team to get the creative done. And some skills you will learn here like Canva, copywriting, English proficiency written and spoken both, and social media marketing. And friend, you can see here who can apply means eligibility criteria. The candidates who are available for a full-time in office internships. And friend, you can start your internship between 9th August to 13th September. Means if you can start your internship till 13th September, then you are eligible. And you can see you are available for the duration of 6 months, and you are open to relocate to Mumbai and neighboring cities and have the relevant skills. So friend, you can see one of the very important thing here is given, that is what will be perks you will get. You will get the certificate, you will get the letter of recommendation, and you can see informal dress code, and you have to do only 5 days in a week. So you have your holiday in the weekends. So friend, this is the very good things. And about BookMyShow, I have told in the starting of the video. So friend, how you will apply, we will discuss later. Let's move for the next internship opportunities. So friend, the next internship opportunities are available for the product management, and the company name is the Grexa AI Private Limited. So friend, if you don't know about the Grexa, they help local businesses boost their online presence and build strong online reputation and convert potential users into paying customers, and they operate as an extended marketing team for their all clients. So friend, product management is a very good field, and it is a very good opportunity for you to complete this internship. So you can see here, you can start this internship immediately, and the duration is the 4 months, and you can see you will get the very good stipend, that is between 8,000 to 15,000 per month, and you have to apply before 7th September 2024. And about this internship is they have given, as a product intern, you will gain hands-on experience in product development, focusing on data analysis, WordPress website development, SEO, that is a search engine optimization, then a UX design, that is a user experience design, and user research. And it is ideal for the engineering students eager to learn and contribute to real projects. And you can see here your day-to-day responsibilities include like assist in developing, maintaining WordPress sites, then learn and apply SEO, then data analytics. You can see like collect, analyze, and interpret data, then develop sports reports and dashboards, and product improvement opportunities. Then the third will be the product design, in which you will assist creating wireframes, conduct usability testing and gather feedback, conduct surveys, interviews, and user testing. and analyze data in form of product development. So skills required like business analysis, communication, product management, UI UX design, wireframing, WordPress. So all these things you will learn here. And the eligibility criteria you can see available for a full-time in-office internship, and you can start this internship before 12 September, and available for the duration of 4 months. And you are open to relocate to Mumbai and have relevant skills for the interest. And you can see other requirement, a bachelor degree in engineering from tier 1 or college or university will be preferred. So all tier institutes can apply for this, means candidates apply for this internship. And you should have a strong analytical skills and interest in data and process excellent communication skills. And you can see the perks. You will get the certificate, letter of recommendation, flexible work hours, informal dress code. You have to work only 5 days a week. You will get the free snacks and beverages and job offer also if you perform the good. So friend, before going to check the next job opportunities which is available in the one of the Tata Group company. So if you are not subscribed our channel Info Roshan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship notifications and technology related videos. So please subscribe Info Roshan. It will help us to create a more and more content for you. So friend, let's check the next job opportunity which is available in one of the Tata Group company. So friend, the company name is the Tata 1mg, and you can see here Tata 1mg, previously 1mg is a healthcare platform based in Gurugram, India, and it provides services including e-pharmacy, diagnostic, e-consultation and health content. And you can see the internship opportunities available. That is a market research internship. And the location you can see multiple locations are given like Ghaziabad, Gurgaon, Kolkata, Lucknow, Jaipur and Noida. So friend, they are having multiple internship opportunities, and you can see duration is 2 months, and you will get the 10,000 per month stipend, and you have to apply by 17th August. And you can see here this internship is given day-to-day responsibilities, like you can see pharmacy store analysis, then you have to do the various types of parameters like store name, employees, discount, then marquee brand evaluation, then you have to do the area density assessment, like you can see here 4CC doctor and clinics profiling, then hospital analysis, then you can see lab evaluation, and you can read it in the detail they have given. And you can see here you will also get the certificate for this internship, and there is a flexible work hours and eligibility you can see here. You have to start before 21st August. And here friend, you will learn the various types of skills like English, both written and spoken, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint and research and analytics. And you can see the number of opening is given 4. So please grab this opportunity and apply. For applying friend, you have to simply click on this apply now. And friend, one of the very important thing, you did not have to pay any money in while applying for these internships. So once you click on this apply now, then you will be redirected to this page. Then you have to create your account first in the all this internship provided by the Internshala. So you have to first create your account. For creating account, you have to click on the sign up, and you have to provide your details like email, password. You have to create your first name, last name. Then you have to click on the sign up, and you will be registered for this virtual internship program. So friend, please grab this opportunity and complete it and get the certificates. And if you have any query regarding these internships, please comment on the video. We are going to check it